Hi, and welcome to Math Made Easy. So this question is based on geometry. It says ABCD is a rhombus. So that will be A, B, C, D. So before we move on, let us mark all the properties of a rhombus in this figure. So in a rhombus, all four sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so this line indicates that all four sides are equal and AB is parallel to DC. And similarly, AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so taking a look at the angles in a rhombus, we know that the opposite angles are equal to each other. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle and this is equal to this. Okay, so going back to the question, it says DE, DF and BF are straight lines. So if DE is a straight line, DB becomes a line of symmetry in the rhombus, which divides this angle and this angle equally, which also makes these four angles equal to each other. So next, the question says that EB and EF are equal. So since BF is a straight line, EBF is a triangle. So since two sides of this triangle are equal, EBF is an isosceles triangle where the opposite angles of the equal sides are equal. Okay, so in question A, we need to find the value of angle ABF, which I have highlighted here. So we see that this portion of the angle ABF belongs to rhombus ABCD. So let's start off by finding the value of the angle marked in blue. So in a rhombus, the sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the value of angle ABC would be 180 minus 104, which is 76 degrees. So since these two angles are equal, the value of one angle is equal to 76 divided by 2, which is 38 degrees. So next, we need to find out the value of this portion of the angle. So in the question, we are told that DE is a straight line, which I have highlighted. So we know that the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. We know the value of this angle. So now we can move on to find the value of this angle marked in red. So earlier we concluded that EBF is an isosceles triangle. We know the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So since the value of this angle has been given to us, we can find the values of the angles marked in red. Okay, so 180 minus 70 will give us the value of the two angles marked in red, which is 110 degrees. So therefore one angle would be 110 divided by 2, which is 55 degrees. So now we found the value of 2 out of 3 angles in this straight line. So now we can easily find the value of this angle, which is 180 degrees minus 55 and 38, which is 87 degrees. So therefore the value of angle ABF is equal to 76 plus 87, which is 163 degrees. So moving on to question B, we need to find the value of angle G. So we know that the sum of angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. So since we know the value of this angle, let us proceed to find the value of angle BFC. Okay, so let us take a look at the triangle CBF, which I have highlighted in purple. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So this angle is equal to 87 degrees. So let's take a look at this angle. So we can see that DF is a straight line. The sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So since this angle is equal to 104, which is equal to this angle, we can find out the value of angle BCF. So 180 minus 104 is equal to 76 degrees. Therefore, the value of angle BFC is equal to 180 degrees minus 87 and 76, which is 17 degrees. Therefore, angle G is equal to 360 degrees minus 55 plus 17, which gives us 288 degrees. So answer to question B would be 288 degrees.